Hi, my second grade scientists. We are going to have a really fun day today, and you guys are actually going to build a vanilla flower model. So I'm going to show you exactly kind of what to do. So first things first, let's take a look at a vanilla flower again. We know what is unique about the vanilla flower. What do we keep talking about? Right, it's got that long, slender body. So what you're going to do is you're going to find materials around the house and make a model of a vanilla flower. Now, all our models may look very different. Now we need to think of a way to make that long, slender part. So I'm going to show you my model, and then I'll give you some ideas, and then you can go off and make it however you would like. So for me, I have a test tube. Now I don't think most of you have a test tube lying around the house. So, but it creates that long, slender part, right? And then I'm just going to cut out a paper flower with some petals on it. And then I have to think about, what do I want to use for pollen? It's obviously got to be small, tiny. What could I use? I decided I went to the pantry and found some flour. Can you think of other flower pollen that you could use? Salt, pepper, glitter. Great. Great. You guys have great ideas for pollen. I mean, or if you have a really cool flower that has lots of pollen, you can put real pollen in there. That's kind of a fun idea. So the first thing is you need to kind of make that long, slender body of the vanilla flower plant, and you can just use paper. You can just use paper, and you can make it really skinny by, you can use a pencil to roll it up. You can tape it, glue it. You can even make this smaller and shorter if you want. But there you go, right? And then you can just pinch it off, close, add some, flower petals in there, and then drop some pollen inside. That's one way. What's something else that's tube-like that you might have around your house? Right, a straw. Good. A toilet paper tube might be too big, but a straw would work. Or if you, some straws are a little tiny. If you have one of those bigger straw that a lot of you guys might use for drinking boba, a boba straw would be perfect. Other things is, I was thinking at my house is some children's medication come with syringes or droppers, and you can probably pull parts off, and you can use that. Just make sure you close off the bottom somehow, tape, Play-Doh, clay, so that way the pollen doesn't fall straight through. So just some ideas. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into your Seesaw, and you are going to build yourself a little flower model. And you're going to keep this because we're going to need it, because we're going to be doing some testing this week. So you're going to make sure that you take a picture of it in Seesaw and then label what materials did you use, and then label the flower part, the pollen, and the petals. And I can't wait to see some of your models. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.